Make sure to like and subscribe.
This is a 16 Pro Max iPhone I just received. It's brand new. I just joined the Apple upgrade program, and I'm going to do a video on that and my experience on it and why I joined in a separate video. But this is just going to be a look at the actual iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let me peel the top. I'm upgrading from an iPhone 14 Pro Max to a 16 Pro Max. And now let me do the bottom. This is the white, I think it's titanium, it's called. Nice looking white one. Really nice. And it comes with a USB-C, so USB-C to USB-C cable. Let me see how long the cable is. "39 inches, 3 feet, 3 inches. It's a braided cable. I'll just put this away for now, just in case. Hopefully I won't be returning it, but just in case. Make sure everything's in its place. And close-up look at it, just in case you are curious to see the inches. So my daughter is going to do the honors. Cause she, hold on, let me come out a little bit. Loves doing this, huh? Why do you love doing this?
I like peeling. Look,
So satisfying.
It's very smooth.
Cool. You touched it. All right, thank you. Hey, you could just keep doing it. Great. So now I'm going to do the transfer to my new phone. So I'm upgrading from my iPhone 14 Pro Max to this one. Just the last look around.
Please like and subscribe to my dad's channel.